Salem.
That you paid and the love that you showed and the prayer that you made, I will make Jesus proud. Lord, the price that you paid and the love that you showed and the prayer that you made, I will make Jesus proud. We will be many that pray.
About me to follow. I must walk the walk of the one who sent me. Oh, while it is day, we must walk. Oh, hey, we must walk, oh, till we see him face to face.
The nations are waiting, the people are hungry. Oh, the master is in need of that. So I pledge my allegiance to the one who has called. I will make Jesus proud.